Hello friends, how are you today? I will tell you how you can use WhatsApp on your laptop. It's very easy. It's very easy. And now you can type WhatsApp web. And now click on the link embedded. Now can you see the QR code on the screen? Just follow the steps now which I am gonna show you. Believe me, it is very easy. Now take your iPhone and open WhatsApp. And now you can go on settings and then click WhatsApp web or desktop, and now click on QR code scanner and now scan the and now your WhatsApp is ready to use on PC. Do like, share and subscribe to Arnav Teaches Games if you haven't already yet.